If you're a high street bank and I deposit £1,000 with you in return for the pathetic rate of interest that you're offering, you have two ways in which to generate the interest that you need to pay me. You can either make loans using fractional reserve banking and use the much higher interest on those loans to pay me my paltry return, or you can buy an interest-bearing investment like a government bond to cover your liability to me. The problem comes when there's not enough demand for loans or not enough supply of government bonds. That's what's been happening in America recently, with all the stimulus money finding its way into bank accounts, forcing commercial banks to either generate more demand for loans or buy more Treasury bills. The problem is, the Treasury is reducing the number of bonds it issues, and the only way to generate more loan demand is to reduce interest rates even further, maybe even into negative territory. The Federal Reserve won't allow negative rates, so to address the bank's problem, they've opened up the reverse repurchasing market, whereby the Fed borrows cash from the commercial banks in exchange for Treasury securities held on the Fed's balance sheet. They pay 0.05% per annum interest on these overnight balances, enough to cover the bank's liabilities. However, the Fed doesn't issue T-bills. That's Janet Yellen's job in the Treasury. So there seems to be a remarkable lack of joined-up thinking given her role as Powell's predecessor at the Fed. There's already almost $1 trillion a night using the reverse repo facility, a figure Credit Suisse expects to double over the summer. The irony of all this is that the only way to stimulate more lending is for long-term interest rates to fall even further, which would be good for bond prices and bad for bond yields. When 99% of market analysts are saying that inflation expectations mean bond prices should fall so that their yields rise, the lack of lending demand may result in exactly the opposite happening. Hey, no one said this investing malarkey was easy. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see some previous episodes, click here. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes.